Hi there!
Awkward silence.
Perfect re-entry, Gromit. This veg diet's doing the trick, eh, lad? I feel smashing. So, how's our rabbit monster, Hope you're keeping an eye on him. What's up, dog?
Ow!
Well, fancy that. Rabbit ears. That is a bit odd. And what are you trying to say, lad? What? What? What, you think that I'm the because of these? Oh, no. No, this is just a reaction to that healthy veg diet you've got me on. It's the toxins coming out. Silly old pooch. Thinking I'm the beast. And the next thing you'll be saying is that, Hutch is turning into me.